How to turn off Twitter sensitive content settings 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content settings 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, if you head over to your app right here, and if you click on this profile icon right here, if you head over to your settings and privacy just around here, you won't be able to see any Twitter sensitive content settings that you can choose from to turn it off. So if you search for sensitive contents right here, as you can see, you can find anything. So what you need to do is to head over to your browser and then search twitter.com and then log in your account from in here. So let's just wait for it to load right here. Then let's log in our account. And then after you have logged in your account, then what you need to do is, if you're right here right now, you're in the head home. So just click on your profile icon right here. Then from in there, click on settings and support in the corner right here. And scroll down and click on settings and privacy. The same settings and privacy, but this is different. So from in here, you can see your account and all of this. Just click on privacy and safety right here. And you can see this content you see. So click on content you see right there, and you can see this display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you click on this and you can see that there's no check, then that just means that this has been turned off. So if you click on this, turn on, turn off, and whatever you decide to do with this, so that's all. That's the whole process. I hope this video helped you turn off Twitter sensitive content settings. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.